The era of AI automation agencies, revolutionizing business efficiency. Imagine a world where your business operates seamlessly, with mundane tasks handled effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Welcome to the era of AI automation agencies, where cutting-edge technology meets business efficiency. In this video, we'll explore how these agencies are revolutionizing industries, from streamlining customer service to optimizing complex workflows. Artificial intelligence, AI automation agencies, are revolutionizing various industries by providing specialized tools that enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and drive innovation. Let's delve into some of the key tools these agencies employ and the benefits they offer across different sectors. AI automation agencies develop sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants capable of handling customer inquiries, scheduling appointments, and providing personalized recommendations. These tools not only improve customer satisfaction, but also free up human resources for more complex tasks. RPA tools automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, invoice processing, and inventory management. By reducing manual intervention, businesses can minimize errors and increase operational efficiency. Agencies offer platforms that analyze vast datasets to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. This empowers companies to make data-driven decisions, optimize marketing strategies, and predict future market behaviors. AI agents assist sales professionals by automating tasks like updating records and generating customer intelligence reports. For instance, Oracle has introduced AI agents designed to handle customer-related tasks, enhancing the efficiency of sales teams.
The era of AI automation agencies, revolutionizing business efficiency. AI tools are being integrated into creative processes to accelerate the development of innovative products and services. For example, TBWA Melbourne's Chief Creative Officer, Paul Reardon, highlights that AI can help smaller markets rapidly prototype and prove concepts, boosting global competitiveness. Healthcare. AI automation streamlines patient scheduling, manages medical records, and assists in diagnostics, leading to improved patient care and operational efficiency. Finance. Automated systems detect fraudulent activities, manage risk assessments, and handle customer inquiries, ensuring a secure and efficient financial environment. Manufacturing. AI monitors equipment health, predicts maintenance needs, and optimizes supply chain management, resulting in reduced downtime and cost savings.
By leveraging these AI tools, businesses can stay ahead in a competitive landscape, focusing on strategic growth while AI handles the routine yet essential tasks.